Hi friends, welcome to our channel Crack Your RRB SSC Banking Exams. In today's video, we are going to discuss important history questions for all competitive exams. To get these important updates, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get daily updates. Today's first question. Where did the leader of Individual Satyagraha movement, Acharya Vinoba Bhave, started this movement? Pavnar. Who was the first Muslim invader in India? Muhammad bin Qasim. Jama Masjid of Delhi was built in which century? 17th. Who founded Khalsa in 1699? Guru Gobind Singh. There are no politics devoid of religion is stated by Gandhi. Who speaks of cabinet system as the steering wheel of the ship of state? Muir. The Indian National Army was initially formed under the leadership of Dash in the year 1942. Mohan Singh. Permanent settlement was a feature of Zamindari system. Chandragupta Maurya was born in Pataliputra, which is now in which state? Bihar. Who was the first Indian to join the ICS? Satyendranath Tagore. Law of use and disuse was proposed by Lamarck. Which Governor General abolished the Sati system in India? Lord William Bentinck. Hampi was the capital of which empire in India? Vijayanagara Empire. Which year was observed as the World Population Year by United Nations? 1974. Who was the European explorer who left a detailed chronicle of his travels in China in the 13th century? Marco Polo. Who was the founder of Mauryan Empire? Chandragupta. Babur was the ruler of which dynasty? Mughal. Name of the first Indian to win Nobel Prize? Rabindranath Tagore. Aurangzeb put his father Dash under house arrest in Agra fort? Shah Jahan. The last ruler of Brahmani kingdom was Kalim Allah Shah. The system of payment of salary to the troops was decreed by Balban. Lord William Bentinck was the Governor General during the period 1828 to 35. Lord Wellesley became the Governor General of India in 1798. Which Rajput ruler built the famous Jantar Mantar present in Jaipur today? Jai Singh II. In which year was a regulation passed to ban the practice of sati? 1829. The first Indian satellite, Aryabhatta, was launched in 1975. Pulakesin II was the greatest ruler of the Chalukyas of Badami. The language of Chola rulers was Tamil. Indian National Army was formed by Subhash Chandra Bose. Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in the city of Amritsar. Who was the last Mughal emperor? Bahadur Shah. In which period Arthashastra was written? Maurya. In which year was the controversial Rowlatt Act passed? 1919. Which is not in the list of Maharatnas? Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. Which king assumed the title of Alamgir? Aurangzeb. Sir Shah Suri defeated Humayun in the Battle of Kannauj. Tulsidas lived during the period of Akbar. A court poet of Alauddin Khilji who wrote the book titled Laila Majnu was Amir Khusrau. Who chaired the Royal Commission on Labour which was set up in 1929? John Henry Whiteley. Veera Narasimha, the son of Narsa Nayaka, was a ruler of Tuluva dynasty. Who proposed Khurasan expedition in the year 1329? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Humayun was the ruler of which dynasty? Mughal. Adolf Hitler committed suicide in 1945. Who was the sole representative of Indian National Congress in the second roundtable conference held in London? Mahatma Gandhi. Who led a procession against Simon Commission raising the slogan Simon Go Back? Lala Lajpat Rai. A book entitled The Hindus, an Alternative History is written by Wende Doniger. Who was defeated in the second battle of Tarain? Prithviraj Chauhan. How many female Islamic rulers did India ever have in its history? 1. In which year did India's constitution come into force? 1950. Who was the teacher of Gautam Buddha? Alara Kalama. We will be back with more important videos like this. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get daily updates. Thank you.